Hello and welcome to New Valley Studios. My name is Jason and I am here with Drum Lessons Part 3, Basic Sticking and Basic Drum Beats. Let's get started. This is a tool that I use all the time. It's called Groove Scribe. You can see the URL right there. If you just go here with any internet browser, you can use this tool and you can make beats and do all kinds of things. I highly recommend using it. It's awesome. When you make beats or make anything in here, it shows you what it looks like in sheet music. It's great. On the screen here, I have what I've taught you in previous lessons. It's called the single stroke roll. So you just are going right, left, or vice versa, left, right, but it's this pattern. This is called the double stroke roll, or doubles. So it's right, left, right, left, or vice versa, left, right, right. Here it goes. This pattern is called the paradiddle. It works right, left, left, and then it continues. Or you can start with the second measure first, and then do the first measure and do it backwards, but that's the paradiddle pattern. Looks and sounds like this. So develop those two patterns. Make sure you're using a metronome. Start slow and push yourself to get faster. Okay, great. Now let's add things to the staff. This is where bass notes belong on the staff. These are bass quarter notes. Now you can start practicing everything that you've learned with your hands, with your feet also. Now we're finally going to introduce drum beats. The little X on top of the staff marks hi-hat hits, closed hi-hat hits. So just hold the hi-hat down with your left foot so it's closed, and this beat would sound like this. Check it out. That is a very basic drum beat, probably the first drum beat that most people learn. This next one is called 4 on the floor, and that's because you're playing 4 quarter notes with your foot on the floor, but it's the same beat. So here it goes. I really hope all of that made sense. Thank you for joining me for Drum Lessons Part 3. This has been Jason with New Valley Studios. Please subscribe so you don't miss any more drum lessons. Please hit that like button, it really helps us out. And leave a comment if you have any questions or anything at all. Thank you so much.